Good afternoon, this is Giuseppe Basile, I'm the analyst and trader. You can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @FibStalker nickname. Good afternoon, this is November, this is Monday, November 26, 2012, and it's 20 past 6 p.m. Italian time. In this video, I want to do a review of Hewlett-Packard, ticker HPQ, traded on the nice New York Stock Exchange. And as usual, I start from the weekly chart. I'm going to share this video in my on my blog in the stocks and ETFs section. You can find at the top of the home page where the main menu is located. So let's move forward here. So we have the weekly chart of this stock, Hewlett-Packard, going back to 2009 and 2010, and in 2010 the stock started moving lower. So there was selling going on in this stock. So we had the first measure move here, and we had resistance in 48.40 with first target in 38.80 area hit, but eventually the stock came back and it went back to that 48.40 area to 49, where sell orders were still located. And as we can see, again the stock came back to 38.80, and it finally reached the second target in 33.80 area, 33.80 area, and the market kept moving lower, and eventually a new anchor was established, and the program trading started using it, and it is this anchor in the 37.30 area. And as we can see very clearly from this weekly chart, the price went down into the 21.40 areas, and then it had this rally in the summer 2011 till the beginning February 2012, but it eventually hit this resistance level in the 29.40 area, and eventually he started experiencing some additional selling here, and this resistance level in 29.30 was also a short setup with that first target in 17.60 area, which was reached somewhere in in August, the beginning of August, and price kept moving lower into the 11.50 area, which traded just last week. Now, I would not expect additional selling in this stock at the moment. Some people are still looking for selling here, but program trading is going to take some profits off the table from this level. So I think it's not convenient and to sell at the moment. We have a level which can be very well identified on the weekly chart, which would continue this sequence lower, and this is the trace from 21.40 to the lows, and this would actually come in. So a new resistance level would actually come in at the 16.40 area. So I wouldn't feel comfortable selling this stock before we get there. Let's move to the daily chart, and let's see what we can infer from the analysis in this time frame. First of all, let's trace the extension short that played in the last few months, and similarly to what I did on the weekly chart, I traced this Fibonacci retracement here, and again we had those two levels that we identified before, first target and second target. Now In the smaller time frame, in the daily time frame, there was a sequence of measure move lower as well, which we can use to model price structure as price came down here. And the first level is definitely the first anchor is definitely this gap down high here. And as you can see, program trading started selling again this level when this stock when price came to the 2540 area, which was the area identified by this first row. So within this sequence then price came to the first target and then the second target as well, and it continued lower, and we could identify the next trace in this sequence as prices was now moving in extensions. We trace from lows to lows, and and again we get resistance into $20 area, which hit the first target in 1620, and then again the second target in 1410. So again price kept moving lower without tracing the next sequence, the next setup lower. So at the moment we are entitled to consider this level. This is the level identifying a first resistance here, which is located in 1440. So I wouldn't expect a lot of action lower, at least until price gets to this level here. And so I will highlight this level here, and we'll consider this the first reasonable and significant level of resistance we'll have in this stock. But of course we have to consider the larger retracement, the retracement in which players on the weekly time frame will come in, and that's where we would expect the next wave of selling in this stock. So I'm going to remove the previous draw here, and we are going to reason a little bit on price and what we can expect, and try to depict a trading plan here for this stock. So we have 20-day moving average resistance that could come in as we have the first touch here, the first time price touches this descending 20-day moving average. But this could really be an opportunity for a retrace and enter this stock on the long side. I would then take the first part of the position off if price gets to 1440, and I will then keep the rest trailing a stop and waiting to see if the stock can make it to the 1640 area. And that would be the selling, the second profit taking spot for this stock, and would actually take off the wall position here. And then we could see and wait and to see how program trading behaves at this level. The first natural behavior would be to wait to anticipate some selling here. So here one could take a position and short with a stop above 1770. So this is it for this stock. I hope this review was useful. I hope the trading plan is clear. We'll also post it on my blog, and let me know what you think about it. If you want to receive videos like this, just go to my website, fibonaccistalking.com. Here on the left side you'll find picture. Click on it and register to my free newsletter. Thank you very much. Have a great evening. Have a great trading day tomorrow and week. And thanks for your attention, and thank you. Bye bye.